Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our English grammar class. Today, we are going to learn a very interesting topic: first person, second person, and third person. Let's begin. First person. When the speaker talks about themselves, that is called first person. In simple words, the person who is speaking is the first person. We use the pronouns I and we to show the first person. Now let's look at an example using I. I am a student. Here, the speaker is talking about himself or herself. The word I refers to the person who is speaking. That's why this is first person. Now let's look at an example using we. We are friends. Here, the speaker includes themselves with others. The word we shows the speaker and one or more people together. That's why it is first person. Second person. The person who is listening is the second person. We use the pronoun you to show the second person. Now let's look at an example using you. You are my best friend. Here, the speaker is talking directly to another person. The word you refers to the person who is listening. That's why this is second person.
Sir, can you be used for one person or many people?
That's a good question. You can be used for both singular and plural. We can say, you are my friend for one person, or you are my friends for many people. Third person. When the speaker talks about someone else, that is called third person. In simple words, the person who is being talked about is the third person. We use the pronouns he, she, it, and they to show the third person. Now let's look at examples for each. Example 1. He is my brother. Here, the speaker is talking about another male person. The word he refers to someone else. That's why this is third person. Example 2. She is my teacher. Here, the speaker is talking about another female person. The word she refers to someone else. That's why this is third person. Example 3. It is raining. Here, it is used for the weather, not a person, but something being talked about. That's why this is third person. Example 4. They are playing football. Here, they refers to a group of people. The speaker is talking about others who are not part of the conversation. That's why this is third person. Now let's quickly revise. First person, the one who speaks, I, we. Second person, the one who listens, you. Third person, the one being talked about, he, she, it, they. Thank you, students, and thank you, my YouTube friends. Keep practicing, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Master English World, for more simple and fun grammar lessons.